All right. Welcome to the show, guys. Welcome to the family. If you haven't joined already, what are you doing? Hit that subscribe, hit that like button, join our Discord community, join this awesome family. It's awesome. I'm telling you, every day we're getting bigger, better, and stronger. That's the whole idea here. The subscribers are coming in, members are coming in, Discord's growing, everything's growing, this community's growing, and we're about to do so much together. I can't disclose everything yet, but it's coming. We may not be the biggest community in the world, but we are the best and the strongest community in this world. From my point of view. I see Costin here, awesome my brother. I see KR here, awesome my brother. Nice for all of you guys to come here. Of course, I've mentioned it's going to be a short stream. I am kind of short of time. I literally have about 15 minutes to do this and then shoot. Okay, 15 minutes, been busy all day. I see Raymo here, awesome my brother, awesome. Hey, everyone's here, nice. Right, let's go into the content and just I'm gonna blast through some of this stuff. I am gonna blast through some of this stuff, so we're not going to be doing any tokens today, guys, so please don't send me any token requests today. I will happily do that when I have a little bit more time, but right now I don't have enough time. Also, I don't know if you noticed on the top right corner, we've got a little icon swinging around, thanks to Inoroez, who created our logo and everything for us as well, so credits to him. And I'm going to be flashing it on every single video, I don't care. Right, so as you guys can see, we are on the Bitcoin chart. And remember what I said to you guys, I think it was yesterday or the day before, when we were pumping like this. I said, guys, until we get above this zone, it's not over. Now, I had no idea they're going to do some COVID-19 news and the stocks are going to crash, FTSE's going to crash. And I had no idea. Told you, we have no idea what tomorrow's candle is going to be, what the next minute candle is going to be. And you can see here, this proves the point. We don't know. But I said to you guys, we're not out of danger. And what a coincidence. On the very same day that we have the options expiry, we get the biggest discounts available, because just after this, we know what happens typically. We know that typically whenever we see something like this, we see this. Of course, I've deleted some of the other dates, but this is what happens. So I'm looking at this and I'm thinking, I know what's going on. This was a nice little cleanup based on the news. It was all ready. Throw that news out there, get the discounts, create some panic, and then move forward with the market. Because if we're going to run with it, we're going to run with it. And then I see today I receive an email from Coinbase telling me how they're doing this. I think it's $40,000. Let me just check. What was it? Because they did tweet something anyway. They believe Ethereum is going to go to 10K. And I'm thinking, of course you believe it's going to go to 10K, because you've just picked up the dip. Buy the dip, send it back, bring the hype, make more money. How much really do you have to give? So that's what's going on. I see SM here, also my brother, nice to see you. I see Riz here, also my brother. I see Custard here, awesome. I see everybody here, awesome. Love the logo, awesome, thank you very much. What's the ETH giveaway? Yeah, if you go to Coinbase, basically they usually do the giveaways for newcomers, so I don't think it's for everybody. Of course, I can double check. Let me just check. I do have the email here somewhere. Where was it? Coinbase reward summary. No, that's not the one. Where did I receive that one? I'm sure I received it somewhere. I don't see it here. Yeah, I don't see it here. Yeah, I think it was a Twitter or something. I don't see it here. I don't see anything. All I'm seeing is the reward that I've received today. Yeah, I've received some what do you call this, Atom Cosmos rewards from thing, but I don't really have anything in there, so I don't even know what they're giving to me. But the point is that's what it is. Get the market hyped up, rallied up. Look, we're going to 10K. Get the market, get your viewers, you know, your users. Like Coinbase has 63 or 70 million people on their mailing list. I see Bubble here, also my brother, nice to see you. So when you got 60-70 million people in your mailing list, you tell them you're expecting a 10K Ethereum, will people start pumping their money in? Think about it. It's very simple. It's a great tactic, right? Of course, imagine everybody, 70 million people, and you take $40,000 worth or whatever, and you divide that, right? You divide that by 70 million people, they're getting pennies. But it doesn't matter. The retail don't understand that. You know, or they might choose to not give it to everybody. They might just choose to give it to some newcomers. Great. What are you going to get? $10 worth? Maybe. But who cares? This is marketing. This is what pumps coins. And I can see a massive pump coming for Ethereum. I see a massive pump coming for Ethereum. So we see BTC obviously done its thing, came back. And remember the other day we talked about how it could come back to this line. And we talked about it a few days ago, guys. I think even a bloody week ago. We spoke about this about a week ago, that it could easily come back and bounce here. And what was all of this? Remember what we talked about. There's a pattern there, clear pattern there that you need to understand. If you look carefully, we did this, we broke through, right? Technically, I'll call it this as well. And now we're founding here. This is the original resistance that we had, which is now acting as a support. Do you see what I mean? So this is a pattern that we see over and over again, played by some of these coins, especially the big ones, right? You can see this wave after wave. They will play this. We talked about this. We said, look, it's done this. It's fine. It's an upward momentum trend line. It's a continuation pattern. So this is what's happened. That's why I said for us to invalidate this pattern, we've got to go up at this point, particular area itself. So now we've created a mini time frame here. I'm not going to talk too much about this because as I said, I don't have too much time. As you can see, this mini time frame here, we need to break above this level in order for us to be bullish or do whatever. But so far, look, daily, it's not 100% bearish like most people would think. Is that, oh, market's gone. And all I'm seeing is this reset here. All I'm seeing is this golden opportunity that everybody looks for. All the investors, everybody look for. This is it. The RSI. Stochastic RSI and the stochastic RSI and the RSI in the perfect areas. I mean, trust me, these are those gifts the universe throws at people for those who have conviction, those who believe and understand what all of these signs mean. Because remember, whales don't have ways to communicate. Of course, some of them may be connected with each other, calling and talking, but you can't talk to everybody. It's decentralized, but we use charts. We use charts to signal what's going to happen next. That's what I'm seeing happening right now. Do I feel bearish? No. Do I feel bearish? No, absolutely not. All right. In fact, if I take this drawing off, you can just about see where we had this low. This low was 53,523. And we did have the low around the 52. Anything less than that, of course, that changes the sentiment. We become bearish. But so far, we've held that. And this is Friday. Wait till you see what happens tomorrow. Wait till you see what happens tonight. We decide whether we go down or whether we go up. So anybody feeling bearish, your confirmation will come tonight, midnight. Anybody feeling bullish, your confirmation will come tonight at midnight. If we don't see a high, then we're going down, right? The next candle will be the one to indicate what direction we're going. So wait for it. And as I said, until we get back onto this trend line here, it's not over. It's not over. So, but I do love the pattern. This is a super pattern. Again, for those of you guys who have weak conviction or do not understand what certain patterns mean, here you go. Here's an illustration of this pattern. It's a falling wedge pattern. A falling wedge is always bullish. Okay, a falling wedge is always bullish. So patience. Of course, we had a consolidation zone. We decided to go down. Falling wedge. Now we're going to have a rising wedge. So I'm going to leave that there. Of course, let's see what it does. But as I said, none of this market is invalidated until we come to this line here, which is the $40,000. That is a confirmation we're in a bear market. But all of this here doesn't mean anything. So please be patient. Now, I've wasted enough time on this. Oh my days. Harish Danu. Okay, no worries. Harish, listen, I'm gonna drop your one. I did mention I'm not gonna take any coins today, but I will definitely drop your one in there, bro. So quick rundown what the market did. So market lost around $200 billion, right? We lost around $200 billion. You can see just on this, I mean, when I do this in this area here, you can see how we lost $212 billion. In fact, we went even lower. As you can see, we went as low as 2.33 trillion, right? So we lost quite a significant amount, and we're recovering now. Fine, we're still down about $212 billion from where we opened the candle. So we're going to wait for this and see where that goes. BTC we did. We're not going to bother talking too much about that. Let's have a look at Ethereum. Ethereum, you can see, fell exactly onto this line, the line that we mentioned the other day as our probability of hitting as a support. So you can see this was the support that we saw the other day, and this is exactly where we found support. But we're back on this trend line. We're back on this trend line. Yesterday was a great day for Ethereum. And this is gonna, if this pushes and it changes, it's gonna be a greater day. Because right now the candle hasn't closed, and so far all I'm seeing is a higher low. Low, low, higher low. This could easily come up a little bit more. The trend is still secure. The trend is still secure. Of course, we have these cascading effects when people, I got liquidated in 2 of my trades today. 2 of my trades today. And I understand why, because you have high leverage, you're gonna get done. Right, so I mean, look, most of the market's doing okay. I'm not going to really talk too much about it. Of course, everybody's bleeding out, right? I'll just show you a nice little roundup of everything. I don't have enough time. I've got 5 minutes, so let me show you what I'm talking about. The market, the entire market. Of course, when you see these, this is where the problem is. Let's go and look at the entire market, and you can see it's a bloody market. It's a bloody market, guys. Luna's doing okay. BAT is doing fantastic. BAT just got launched on another exchange today. Some of these big boys are doing okay, but you know, here on average we're looking at about 7, 8, 9%, 10%. It's okay. It's okay. Remember, we were expecting a correction of up to 50%. And we had like a 20%, and now if we've come down further, gives us around 25, 30%. It's okay. We're not complaining. All right, let the market do its thing. It needs to reset, and then we move forward. You can see everything's bloody today except BAT and a few others. KDA is doing awesome today as well. So again, these were the opportunities for you to pick up the discounts if you did actually think about something or picking up something. These would have been your discounts, right? So of course the brother asked me to talk about some sand. I'm going to drop some sand in here, and then I'm going to start shooting. I'm going to start running. Let's drop some sand here. What do I think about sand? What do I think about sand, and what's the future for sand? I'm bullish on sand. I'm actually quite bullish on sand. Sand is not much of an issue. As I said to many people, I said, look, if you want to look at sand, start looking at the properties on sand. You know, start looking at your land. Try and see if you can buy some land on sand. That's what's going to be valuable. Blocktopia, also another gaming metaverse thing. Start looking to buy the land. So don't worry too much about everything else. Those are layer 2 within the game. You want to focus on if you are going to enter, you want to start picking up some land. Now, of course, if you're just buying the coin, this is nothing. This is just part of a greater market correction. Absolutely fine. No worries at all. Everybody suffered. But these games have the potential, or games or metaverse, let's just call it a token. They have the potential to survive for a very long time. In fact, not long ago, about an hour ago, I mentioned something on the Discord earlier on, and I said, guys, if you're holding Gala, lock them up, put them away for 5 years. Now, I didn't disclose everything that I know, but I can tell you this right now. Now that the audience is here, we know Gala has displayed around 5 games on their website. Yeah? Well, let me drop this bombshell to you. Gala's coming with another 15 games where the Gala token can be used. Gala token is coming with another 15 games. That's 19 more than what you saw in Axie Infinity. You thought you saw Axie Infinity, which I never touched? Well, wait till you see what Gala does. Gala's target was not get the community, get the rich to get more rich. No, that's what Axie did. You know, pre-invested, seed invested, that invested, this. That's what it was. Hype. Gala is going to get the world, the people of third world countries. I feel bad saying that, but that's what it is. Poor countries, people in poor regions who can't afford, who can't get a job, who are struggling. It's going to get them to play to earn. That's what Gala's going to do. You think Gala is a small fish? No, I've always been bullish, and there's a reason, because I saw something different in Gala. So Sandbox, of course, Sandbox, Decentraland, all of that, it's all part of the hype. Great. If you want to buy now, you're getting this discount. Of course, if I would love to see it back here, you see this white line here. If I do see it back on this white line, on this trend line, perfect entry. I'll pick it up. I'll pick up some more, hold some of my bags there. Any one of these coins. I mean, today's a discount, of course, discount day, bro. I mean, this is Black Friday discount. Black Friday discount. So your shops and this and that just don't give it. Everybody does it. This is Black Friday discount. So go and get your discounts. No financial advice. Okay, Custard Boot asks, is Affinity the same as Gala? No, Affinity is on another league. Affinity is not ready yet. Gala is trying to be the EA Sports, the EA games, Electronic Arts games of crypto. That's what Gala's trying to be. Not only are they trying to be, they've also recruited the same people, same pioneers of Zynga, the same guys from EA Sports. They've employed them. Think about that. They've employed one of the guys from Zynga. Everyone knows Zynga is a very big game company. And they've employed someone directly from EA Sports. Right? They want to make EA games on the blockchain. So wait for it. There's 15 more games under development right now, and this is just the beginning. And one Gala token can be used everywhere. Gala is getting so decentralized with the node services. People are buying the node, not the Gala. They're even buying the node, and they're running their own nodes. You can run games on your own node. That's on another level. I see a whole new ecosystem coming from this. I see a whole new evolution coming out of this. So Gala's just not Gala. It's gonna be the Gala. All right, so other than that, guys, I'm not going to make this in longer. I hope you all understand. If you're looking at discounts, this is what it is. Of course, when we look at all of these, we can see where we should have expected our, dips to take us. You can see the dips were exactly perfect. The execution was just perfect. You brought it back into these golden zones. So again, guys, those of you who don't understand how golden zones work, 618, 1618, those are the target levels. If we're going up, we want to start selling around the 1618. And if we're going down, we want to start selling or buying, on the 618 level. So you got the 1618 and the 0618 level. That's how we buy and sell this market, basically. But yeah, super awesome. I don't see a problem. All I'm seeing is a continuation of this whole cycle, whole kind of trend that we've had recently. Absolutely fine. Even if you start looking at this area here, this is our entire global cryptocurrency market cap, and you can see I've mentioned this before as well. So guys, unless we get out of these zones here, we're not going anywhere. We're just hovering. Of course, we're coming to the zone, and yesterday we almost attempted it, but we didn't manage it. We've now got to do this. We've literally got to cancel out this area here. If we can cancel this area, then we're moving forward. So other than that, guys, like, share, subscribe, smash those like buttons. I hope you found your information that you needed, and let me double check if I've answered everybody as much as I could. Can you tell the future of Planet Sandbox token? Planet Sandbox token, it's only Sandbox, bro. There's no Planet Sandbox. If there is a Planet Sandbox, it's probably a scam, so stay away. There's only Sandbox, and the coin is called Sand. And that's a legit project, and it's got great potential, great future. In fact, the whole metaverse has massive future, massive potential, and we're definitely going there very soon. I'm also coming to the metaverse myself very soon. Right? We're also coming to the NFT very soon. So I don't know if you're new to the channel, but you can see the logo flashing up there, Paradexes. So we are launching Paradexes very soon. In fact, I've just had confirmation from the developer that by Monday, we should have an alpha version of the full protocol running on the blockchain. but I'm not going to make it public yet. We still got a long ways to go, so we're going to do that. Once all of that is done, website is set, everything is set, all the marketing, email, whatever systems are set, then we start moving and start marketing this, and we'll have a roadmap for the dates when we're going to release each part of the protocol. We're going to have a launch pad, we're going to have a launch pool, we're going to have an NFT, and then all of this, once we have the full ecosystem, we're going to launch the metaverse. Hey, Paradexes metaverse coming soon. How soon, I don't know, guys, but just wait for it. It's coming. It's coming. Everything that we're building now is only the start, and that leads to something bigger. This is one of the reasons why I've mentioned regarding Paradexes that I won't be keeping anything. I won't be doing anything. I'm just going to be hodling. I'm going to be buying just as you guys, and then we're going to move forward from that point. And this is just a station for us. Obviously, people who participate, who buy the tokens, not buy, but who participate in the black hole event, we have other benefits. We're getting liquidity provider rewards and this and that, transaction fees and XYZ. So that's what we're going to be receiving. Of course, I'm going to be receiving that. But that's just the base. It's the future that a lot of people got to look forward to, because that's where we're going to take this in a decentralized way. NFT, launchpad, launch pool, and exchange functionality, and then all of it in a metaverse. You're going to be putting your VR headset and we're going to be talking to each other through a VR. That's what we're going to be doing. We're going to be doing YouTube on VR. I'm joking, but listen, it's not out of the possibility. Think about it. It's not out of the realms of possibility. We can absolutely nail it if we are going to get all of the people together, all the like-minded people together. We can nail this. We can do this. So it will be done. I'm telling you, it will be done. Wow. Okay. I'm running late. I've got calls coming. I'm going to shoot. Adios, my amigos. Thank you very much for coming to the show. Don't panic. As I said, for us to invalidate this market and go, and say we are bearish or we are absolutely done for, right? That's it. The market itself has to go to a specific level. It has to go to a specific level. Also, by the way, guys, I just want to be transparent with you guys. So you do know that I used to use, and I do still have it, by the way. So I've got 2 TradingView accounts. One of my TradingView accounts is a free one that I use. It's the SDCrypto one, completely free. And my other one, the Mad King one that I had, my license expired, but I saw some massive discounts. I couldn't help myself, so I had to get it. I saw the Black Friday discount. There's not many hours. I think there's about 15, 18 hours left, but I saw a discount, so I went and got it. And so I just wanted to make transparent that this chart you're seeing is actually the Mad King one with more indicators and everything in there. But of course, I use those for analysis. I don't need them for anything else. But mostly you'll still see me using the same charts. So because I've been showing this on the YouTube a lot, I thought, okay, it would be wiser for me to make this my premium one and the other one keep it as it is. Okay, so I hope you guys understand. Don't turn around and say, well, hold on, this guy's preaches that you can use TradingView for free. Yes, you can use 100% for free. 100% for free. You don't need to. But how come he's using a premium one? No, I'm being transparent. I bought it last night. I had to upgrade this last night because there are other things I do. So, for example, this is one of the charts and this is the other one. Those things you won't see, guys. This is the thing. I might sometimes pull out and show you these things, but most times you're going to see this chart. You know what I mean? So YouTube, I've always shown these charts, and these are fixed. That's why I had to kind of, rather than moving around 2 accounts, just unify one, because it does cause problem when you're trying to operate 2 accounts on the same browser. Trust me, TradingView knows. So I had issues. So this is the best. This is why I can now run multiple accounts on the same thing without any issues at all, because one's premium, one's free. They've got nothing to complain about. They're getting paid. But other than that, thank you very much, my friends. Thank you very much, my brothers. Thank you very much, my sisters. Thank you very much, my family. It's been absolutely fantastic. You guys are awesome. I'm going to catch you on another one very soon, and I'm 7 minutes late. Adios.